welcome back to my channel, Be The Source. My name is Bianca. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to know when I post new videos. And as you can tell, I am in my bedtime attire, got the bonnet on, ready to go. But today's video, I'm super excited about it because our good sis, Robin Rihanna Fenty, dropped a skincare line, y'all. A skincare line. I am so excited. I'm not necessarily a skincare girl, but finding out that Rihanna was dropping a skincare line, I immediately became one. Like, I joined the early access mailing list. I was up at midnight ready to go. I had money put aside, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys because it just came in today. Today is Friday. It just came in today, and you're gonna get my first reaction. We're gonna talk about the product. I'm gonna use it for the first time. I'm super excited. Rihanna has blessed us with a skincare line, and right now I'm like breaking out right here. I don't know, I usually don't break out and it's really weird, but like right in the center of my forehead you can see I have a little situation going on. But yes, let's get into the video. Okay, this is the box that it came in. Obviously I'm covering my address because I don't want y'all to stalk me or nothing. I'm just kidding. But in terms of shipping, it took about a week to get here. I thought I had chosen the free 2-day shipping, but apparently I didn't. So I have this wrapping paper. Obviously I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Here are the products. I'm gonna move it up a little bit to show. It says Fenty Skin Beauty. Super cute. I love the color palette. So we have the total cleanser here. I love the packaging of it. A big thing that Rihanna was trying to focus on was being environment friendly, which I do appreciate. Also, the fat water, that is a dual toner and serum, so I like that a lot. I'm excited to try this. Love the color scheme, love the color blocking that we have here with the peachish color to the serum, which I really like. Then we have the HYDRA VIZOR Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF sunscreen. So it's a sunscreen and it's a moisturizer. Love that as well. Rihanna's just trying to give us everything all at once. So it comes in this. I know something that's special about this is that it's refillable. So you have the case here, and then you have the moisturizer here. So instead of throwing the whole case away, you just keep the case, and all you have to buy is the replacement, is this moisturizer thing. So all you gotta do is pop it in, open, then close. Love that. Super environment friendly. I love the packaging. It's very smart to do that. Instead of us wasting packaging and stuff and buying a whole new bottle, all you have to do is buy the filler. These are the 3 products. Love that. Okay, time to get into the products and start using them. So first I'm gonna use the Total Cleanser, which is also known as a 2-in-1. So if you wear makeup, you could also use this to remove the makeup from your skin. Some of the ingredients that are in this are one is the Barbados cherry. Rihanna will call it the Bajan cherry, which is really rich in vitamin C. More vitamin C than an orange, which I had no idea. The more you know. And the vitamin C is really good to brighten up the skin. So as you can see here, I have some dark circles under my eyes. I've always had that like all my life. It's not because of lack of sleep or anything. I just always had it. So hopefully this will help brighten that out as I continue to use it. Another ingredient that's in here is called ginkgo biloba, which helps control the oil and clarifies the skin. Also, it has green tea, which is rich in antioxidants, fig, which is rich in antioxidants, and quince. Why is it quince?
Is it quince? Quince. Quince. Actually, it's a quince.
That helps condition the skin. So as you can see here, it's just a twist off, which I need to take off the packaging. So let's pour this in I'm just gonna pour a little bit in my hand. I don't know if you can see that. It smells like a perfume that I've had. I don't know. This is what it looks like. I poured a little bit in my hand, so now I'm gonna wash my face with it. I'm gonna lather my face. Oh, it smells so good. It's a nice creamy consistency. It smells amazing. Just gonna rub it in. I like that it's kind of like thick. Maybe I didn't put enough water in it. Hold on, let me put some more water in it. There we go. So I'm just gonna lather this on. It smells super nice. It smells so good. I'm gonna get this middle area because I don't know what is going on here. It smells really nice. People were complaining about fragrance and how like that's sensitive to your skin. It personally doesn't bother me. I think it adds to the experience of your skincare routine. So it foams up really well, lathers really well. So I'm gonna rinse it off and see how that is. So I just washed everything off. My face feels super clean. I love the fragrance. It's not stripping at all, at least for me. It feels really nice. Some people might still have a problem with the fragrance. Again, it doesn't bother me. It adds to the experience of washing your face and cleansing your face. To each their own. So next I am going to use the fat water, which is also a 2-in-1. It's a serum and a toner. It has a lot of ingredients in it, so I'm going to list some of them. Some of the ingredients that are in this is called niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3, which helps reduce dark spots and even out your skin tone. It also has the Bajan cherry in this, which is rich in vitamin C, like I said, and it helps brighten up the skin. Also, it has witch hazel in it, which some people are kind of like iffy about witch hazel because it can be very stripping, but I think Rihanna was very cautious in how much she put in it because it also has Australian lemon in it. Also has green tea, fig, which are really rich in antioxidants. So this is also a twist off. So you just twist off here. I'm gonna pour some in my hand. The consistency is a little bit, I don't want it to spill. I don't know if you can see. The consistency is a little bit thicker than a normal toner. Most toners are super watery and you need a cotton ball to put it on your face. But this one, it smells like, this is gonna be weird, but it smells like olive oil to me. I mean, I don't really like the scent of this. Feels nice. I feel it like restoring the moisture back into my skin. To get the neck, can't forget the neck. But it smells good. It's already absorbing into my skin, which is really nice. But I will say I'm not really a big fan of the scent. First whiff of it, it smelled like olive oil. That's just me. That's just me. But you can see it's already drying into my skin, which I really like. Yeah, this is, wow, it dries up pretty fast, which I like. I like that it's a little bit thicker than a normal toner because like I said, other toners are really watery and it reduces you using cotton balls, cotton swabs, whatever it may be. So the last and final step is the HYDRA VIZOR moisturizer. This is also a 2-in-1. It has SPF and it moisturizes your skin. It has an SPF of 30. I really like this because I don't really wear SPF on my skin. So not only does it moisturize my skin, but it protects me from the sun. Some of the ingredients that are in this are the Kalahari melon, which is a type of watermelon that helps hydrate the skin. It also has niacinamide, which helps with dark spots and even out your skin tone. It has hyaluronic acid and aloe, which helps condition and hydrate the skin. And also a baobab, it helps hydrate the skin. So this is a twist off. Love that. Twist it off. And then let's see. Oh, the consistency is so pretty. I love that it's pink. Super cute. Love that. Love that it's pink. Just put on a little bit in my hand. And let's put this on my skin. It smells so good. This smells amazing. It's nice and fruity. Like I want to eat my skin right now. That's how good it smells. If you're not a fan of fragrance, I wouldn't suggest this for you, but I am, and it's just, it smells amazing. It smells way better than the fat water, I will say. Feels good, it's creamy, it's thick, it's melting into my skin really well, and it's not leaving that white cast that most SPFs leave on your skin. And this is the final product. I really like it. The smell, I just love the smell of it. This is how it looks on my skin. It's giving me a nice dewy look. And yeah, this is it, guys. This is my skin. I know I'm like a little bit breaking out right here, which this needs to go, but overall I love all three of them. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Rihanna, make me a Fenty skin ambassador. I am a skincare girl now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. But yeah, it's leaving my skin really hydrated, really nice. I can't wait to use it over and over again. This is now gonna be my new skincare regimen. I recommend it for everyone. At least try it. At least try the cleanser. Start off with that. Most people like to start off with the cleanser. Start off with the cleanser. The cleanser is really nice, comes on really well. The fat water, love the consistency of it. I love that it's a little bit thicker than a normal toner, and it's a serum at the same time. The moisturizer does do its job by moisturizing the skin. My skin feels amazing. And yeah, that is it. If you guys liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell to know when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys when I see you.